Midcap IT is the one that Nigel was just highlighting a few minutes ago, and those companies continue to be on a tear. LTIMindtree and Tata Elxsi are the two that we'd like to talk about right now, and those are moving on the back of reports from brokerage house Kotak. Now, LTIMindtree has been upgraded by Kotak, while Tata Elxsi is under pressure following its sell recommendation on the stock. Reema is here with more details. Reema, tell us what the reports say.
So let me start with LTIMindtree. Well, there is the news of GST, but what's fueling the up move in the stock today is the Kotak upgrade on LTIMindtree to an add versus an earlier reduce. Their target price stands at 6,200, and the key expectation is that growth rate will recover. Now, in FY24, growth rate for the company will trough at 4.4%. It will expand to 6.5% this year and further accelerate to 11% by FY26. Now, this pickup in growth will be led by BFSI and high-tech. These two verticals were impacted the most in the last 18 months, and BFSI is already showing signs of recovery, particularly in the United States. The second overhang on the stock was also the many exits that took place post the merger of LTI and Mindtree. And here Kotak says that leadership departures have cooled off in the last 3 to 4 months versus the flurry of exits that we had in March and April. That said, don't expect any margin expansion. So the scope for margin expansion is fairly limited. But according to Kotak, LTIMindtree is going to be a good compounding play with strong and consistent EPS growth, and they've raised the target multiple. But on Tata Elxsi, the stock which rallied close to 26% over the last 2 days, Kotak is very bearish. They say the stock was expensive even before the rally began. They've got a sell rating on this stock, and their target price is all the way down to 5,500. Valuations are stretched at 61 times forward multiple. Valuations price in a 20% annual return in the growth rate for the next 10 years. And they're saying that while the company's automotive growth, led by, say, JLR, etc., is going to be strong, the company is facing growth challenges, whether it's in media and communication or even in healthcare. So bullish on LTIMindtree, Kotak, but Kotak Institutional Equities continues to remain very bearish on Tata Elxsi. Back to you.
Got it, Reema. That's clearly weighing on the stock, down 5% as we speak. But let's get